Greetings, this is Junior Morgan of Bob Marley and the Wailers. The time has come for the lion to tell his story. And we have here the lion voice. So listen in and get nourishment for the stomach and for the head cup. Jah, Ras Tafari.
Give thanks.
Give thanks and praise.
What do you have to tell the people about Ras Tafari?
Light to the world. King of kings and the conquering line of the tribe of Judah. I left himself. Words right for ruler. Hey yo! Yeah. Hail them high, hail the black king on the 23rd of July. So tell them guy who praise God up in the sky, it's a lie. The Almighty living on your night. From ancient time them a try. Them Romans know them just open them suit and ties. Criminals ain't got no alibi, they stole my people. Then them come without them genocide.
Are you talking about slavery?
Them couldn't kill the lion we come conquer Judah tribe. Go through tribulation, and I strive, see sufferation, and I still rise. That's why we tell them in America, live Rastafari in every ghetto area. We come to tell them in a Toronto, straight at it.
Alright, so we get all of the housekeeping out of the way. Now we are going to introduce our guests. It's a very great honor. The item by now know that we have people from all over the Rastafari family. Iman is a Naya Bingi man. We've had 12 Tribe of Israel brethren and sistren. We've had Bobo Shanti brethren and sistren. We've had Nana Line or brethren that don't have a mansion. Tonight we are going into the Bobo Shanti, odd and we have a very islandful brethren, one of the ones where the fire is unceasing and unquenchable. And, working with this brethren has been a joy. Over a year I've been working with this brethren. He's one of the representatives to the RMO from the Bobo Shanti. And he, always have very important attribution. He's also a priest in the order of the Bobo Shanti Ethiopia Africa Black International Congress. So it's a really great honor, and it's a brethren we burn some hot fire. And when I reach out to the brethren to come on the program and ask what is the topic, I wasn't honestly expecting the brethren to come with some thing that we could have talked about, and he would have burn it out, for the masses. And what the brethren show the brethren said, brethren, we have to talk about one love. And him have a term about the gumminess, the coming together and loving for them soundness. So I just want to welcome family, Honorable Priest Toot. Welcome to the Lion Voice. Honorable, please just introduce yourself,
Honorable my Lord, give thanks to life, Honorable Priest Toot from the ABIC Bobo Shanti. Give thanks to life, Glory be to our Father, and to the Son, and to the Holy One of creation. Jah was in the beginning, is now, and ever shall be, the world without end. The last day, Jah, Rastafari. Peace and love to everyone, one heart of love, Give thanks to life, and give thanks to all good things from the Lionel Foundation to I Rastafari, spreading I word out there, making, the truth be known, and make I know saying a Rastafari can hold the love, you will give thanks, blessed love. Lord.
Give thanks. So, you come on the Lion Voice Network. You have to let us know where were you born, and just give us your journey from youthful stage to Rastafari. When did I become aware of Rastafari? Give us the journey.
And I born in Waterhouse, Kingston 11, Jubilee Hospital, and I tried, as a young youth, I chat up, and I father died when I youth, Then I mostly grew up and they run more elder around us. And during them time, the elder them respect Rastafari to the highest level. So mostly I run Rastafari elders and most some bigger elder where.
So there I was born into a Rastafari family?
No, not really a Rastafari family, but Rastafari they close by all around. Okay. Understand? But I bigger brother now start Ras was a youth I go school. I go Wolmer's High School and start to rap. You know?
Okay, Wolmerian, all right, all right.
So, you know, him start Ras as a youth and deadly and they amongst the same like our father drop out and away and 4 brother away and one mother and one sister, that's 5 away. So that's we that a child and brother start Ras and you know the next brother start to Ras and me are the last one. So you know it's a coming online. So you know the elder brother will start Ras now start chat Bobo Ashanti.
Okay.
So, and I have 4 youth and then think they come like one pair of shoes they have, you know, so sometimes take all my shoes and wait to go for Bobo here. And then they kind of see a picture and the shoes from Bobo here inside that King Man over. You know, so I know that I'm just the chat start next. So, you know, in chat down back with Wolf for Bobo and come to the place, you know, and start to blessed love my lord to everyone and bust blessed love all over the world. Anyway, you blessed love and my brother first bust now water out and spread through the whole of Jamaica. Come on, that's just a blessed love.
Yeah,
I'll
man.
send a Bobo Ashanti that. My brother.
And please just block your brother name so his name can go out to the
Call him
front.
Connie Rast, you know? Call him coach, you know, Connie Rast, you know? Because I them man the first bring blessed love in the water house, you know?
Okay, okay.
And every youth in the water house, every youth, I'm a coach at the same time. So every youth and I'm coaching, I have to bless the love.
So he brought that sound into the inner city.
To everyone. So I pick it up and every youth start pick it up and Bobo Shanti start come check him in the water house. Bobo Shanti name Jack Clive start come in the water house and pamphlet and live there. And so now I start go around them and start listening to them reasoning. And when me start reasoning them, you know, him start to look for me different. You know, because me get all of the reasoning them from all of the elders. And so when I reason them, I reason like me and them on the same level. The eyes are reasoning. So when me leave now and gone, because 2 more times, them always look over some hot night spice. Some more time brother always have something to check in. I'm always because no one on a father and no mother and dead at one time. So I'm the last one, them always tell me, say, come check me, man. Always come check him from the spice.
Give a little more volume. Give a little more volume.
Brother always tell me something for come check him for his spice, because you know Bobo Shanti have always have the nice spice. And
nice spice, man. I show you.
Always tell me something for us come check him, you know, so I always go check him. So I just have about them there, them start reasoning with me, you know. So I start reasoning back with them.
Yes.
So when we done reasoning them and thinking, you know, when I'm gone, you know, my brother see me and them say, you know, say, Bobo tell me say, I turn Bobo. Yeah, so when time, you know, I reach about 18 years old and I chat to him and I say, no, say me a rat. You know, and all my brothers them say, them a rat, but end up me the only one alone, hold the faith.
Hold the faith.
We don't just tell me a rat and the man say, yo, we have a bingy, you know. That time said Bobo name there, Jack Clive there, I say, yo, we have a bingy, and my brother never there, my brother. So I say, yeah, alright, come. I'm just go with them and go bingy and all night. We stand up and just stay in bingy and feel like a giant today, you know. I was going to come now move again, come there heaven right now, because bingy up here all night and like I float through the whole bingy.
The drum, heartbeat,
you know?
Do good.
So from this time I start chatting on. Pick up the order about
what year are we talking about? This is 80s, 90s. What?
95, man.
95, okay.
Yeah,
right before I'm on go college. So this is an international platform, Priest Toot. Please explain to the people Waterhouse. When you say Waterhouse, explain what kind of settings you really grow up in, because you'll have people from all over.
War, street of white against street, man. Vince Road against Desmond, against Buckers, and I up the stand. It has spread come down back on my road, the next road beyond Vince Road, and all I youth them off from a youth road, I link with Vince Road, man, them and Buckers, man, them and me and Vince Road, man, a friend, me and Buckers, man, a friend, and me are the only youth, and me and my next brother, and the only 2 youth alone can go Vince Road, can go Buckers. Vince Road, man, can come check a Buckers, man, can come check. And then time that the youth must say, it's like me have a different power. Because all of them youth, there was a youth who always run me. Anyway, with them, me have 40, 50 youth run me, still upset. So I listen to what me I say. To them, and then time.
Thanks.
You understand me? So when the war fight and people can't go places, me can't just ride go anywhere. They must be, yo, them time them call me Sunshine. They must say, Sunshine, you know, come check with Sunshine. Because the whole of them, they used to come check me, used to meet them, I go to school, go off, crossroad and meet the whole of them, and me and the whole of them there together. Big George, man, Buckers, man, the whole of them, youth, primary school, youth just passed, and I go high school, man, the whole of them, they crossroad together. So, man, the whole of them, all the youth, them turn violent, murder, and killers them. We know the whole of them used to come on the yard, we cook dumpling and kalalo. Mostly every evening, ackee and dumpling and kalalo. Ackee and dumpling and kalalo, banana. So we cook every evening. All of them use them.
And Priest Toot, I don't think that we talk about that enough, you know, the peacekeeping role that Rastafari play in the inner cities, in these war zones.
Rastafari got all of the love, man. Rastafari got the love, you know.
Well, I listen to the first, the Almighty. And this is the Chaz Match Kwasi. Where they are set thrones of judgment to judgment. Thrones of the house of the great King David. I shall pray for the peace of Ethiopia. May peace be within thy walls and prosperity within thy palaces. Well, don't cry tears. The Lion of Judah shall break all their chains. Face your fears. The passage of time can heal all of our pain. Use your eyes and ears so you can see and hear all of their games. See your peers everywhere. Most man a struggle, Babylon's all the same. Them got a slave mentality, slave reality, slave you for salary. Plus police, them full of partiality. For personalities, we fight principalities. And powers we no care about humanity. Them work for vanity, it's all insanity. Most people just want some autonomy. Them will kill your family if you build them economies.